Welcome back. Illegal constructions with 200 meters of coastal area at Colva and Sernabtim are under scanner. National Green Tribunal has ordered the Directorate of Settlement and Land Records to complete the inspection and do mapping of constructions of projects which fall under no development zone. NGT has given 6 weeks time to DSLR to prepare the report of various projects to submit before it.
National Green Tribunal directed the Directorate of Settlement and Land Record to expedite the exercise of preparing the survey for mapping of area which falls within 200 meters of high tide line. Survey of various commercial projects, hotels and shack and the whole area at Colva and Sernabtim which falls under no development zone. The mapping shall however be expeditiously done on priority basis within period of 6 weeks, that is before the end of January 2015. The construction of Tower of View Gallery project has been told not to go ahead. However, preparatory work like levelling of ground, collecting of material for construction and staking of cement and the material required for construction can be separately done in a storeroom at the risk of the Tourism Department. Many petitions are before the High Court and the National Green Tribunal against the development of commercial projects at coastal area. Reporter Savio Dice for Prudent.
The partially collapsed retaining wall of Mormugao solid waste treatment plant has become a reason of serious concern. Some of the active citizens complain that the garbage enters the sea due to the damaged wall. Municipality and local MLA, when questioned, assured to get rid of the menace, but no action is seen as yet on the ground.
The retaining wall of Mormugao solid waste treatment plant at Headland Sada is still lying practically collapsed since last 6 months. Municipality has made no efforts to reconstruct the wall. Some of the citizens complain that the garbage enters the sea. This has also raised the question over proposed garbage treatment plant in the area.
During rainy season, a compound wall pardalo, and in fact it is informed to all the municipality. Even the environment minister has visited here and he site pohun gelele, and they told me the reason that because of rainy season he काम जावपाक शकना म्हणून. पण आता rainy season जावन सोंपोवन almost 4-5 months जालो that it is still lying here.
दुरी कोणे तरी कितें जर केल बांदगोडी केल्या ती आयकोन घे पूण दुरीक मोडना जाल्यार ते बांदनाय कित्याकू ते दुरीक मोडना ते बांदनाय कित्याकू सगलो वयता आनी ते फिशरमॅनाक त्रास जाता फिशरमॅनाची झाडां पिसताय फिशरमॅनाक रापणीक कचरो पडटा नुस्त्याक त्रास जाता ते मातशें गव्हर्नमेंटान चोवपाक जाय आनी जाता तितले बेगीन करपाक जाय.
We spoke with the chairperson of the MMC, Bhavana Bhosle. She seems not updated about the situation.
पण आता 8 महिने जाले 8 काय 9 महिने जाले
जे आता प्रोसिजर आमचो चालू आसा न्हू
मॅडम तुम्ही टेम्पररी कितें केला तेका
टेम्पररी कितें ते केलेले म्हणजे परत आमकां
कितें केला टेम्पररी
हांव जेई विचारताना सांगता
तुमकां खबर ना 8 महिने जाले
नो जेई कडेन कॉन्टॅक्ट आसा म्हजो जेई करता म्हणून परत आता
तुमकां टेम्पररी तुम्ही तेका प्रोविजन कितें केला नेट बांधला कितें केला.
Mormugao MLA and Power Minister Milind Naik says that the new plant will solve the issue. However, he is silent on the sorry state of the present garbage treatment plant.
गार्बेजचो जो इश्यू सॉल्व जावन आसलो तो हो सरकार आसतना 100% जातलो म्हाका गॅरंटी आहा क्लियर.
ती दर्यान वयता अजूनय गार्बेज
तशें कितलेशे वर्सां वयता ताका रिटर्निंग वॉल बांदूंकूय आधार ना म्हाका ते खबर आहा तेका आमचो थंय प्लांट आहा तेचें कितें पोजिशन आहा म्हाका खबर ना CP हांगा आहा तें जर जालें जाल्यार थोडे तरी आमकां हें मेळटलें पण 100% एक सांगता की व्हडले प्लांट जे येवपाचे आहा ते आमच्या सावथा खातीर एक येयलो जाल्यार आमची सगळी गार्बेज थंय वचपाची आहा गार्बेज हांगा उरची नाशिल्ली.
A reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.